And I think, obviously, James, you've seen this, the the way that AI in itself has kind of really changed the game, and I think what we're starting to extract some of this real value that we're getting in real time, and actually as insights that people can use to start making some decisions. I think what's interesting for me is, um, yes, we can get customers' opinion on things, but actually AI is probably a better judge of what's going on across your whole entire, the way you're engaging your customers, not just on voice calls, but every step of the way, right? In terms of socially and all of those things.
Yeah, I think it's a massive untapped opportunity. And kind of thinking about metrics like talk listen ratio and sentiment, I think we need to really look at those, because that's a massive opportunity to do something with that information. And to your point, conversations that are actually happening, regardless of the channel, that's gold. I love that you said you said it was a jewel. It's absolute beyond jewel, this stuff, because it's better than a verbatim, because a verbatim's probably right at the end of an event or during, at post call and conversation. But this is real insights.
Yeah. How
did I show up as an agent? How did I deliver my brand? Yeah. And that brand could be my doctor's surgery. It could be my travel in company. It could be my financial institution, my regulated business. Yeah. How am I delivering my brand?
Yeah.
And that's massive, because if I'm a CMO or chief marketing officer, I'm really interested in that stuff.
Yeah.
And now that's something I want to hear about.
Yeah, exactly. You want to know how is this impacting our consideration? How is that impacting our perception of the market? And I think, just as you were talking about those ratio things, there's a couple of things that came up for me. Number one is that's great that we get that insight, but then we've got to empower those team leaders and leaders in the organization to be able to use that data and turn it into actionable insight. And I think that the other thing is that if you think about the metrics we're really using, we're using quite transactional hard metrics about a thing that happens.
Yeah, point in time.
But